one of the biggest expectations that the girls do sing beautifully, because I know they're very good singers. And they, from school, they always loved the singers. And now that they've grown into bigger ladies, I expect bigger singing. And because of the love for it, I've been working with them for a few days, and I can see the enthusiasm. So it's something great that they're actually going to sing, not by just their voices, but their whole heart. And because the message behind this is really a message of love, so when we produce this, it's trying to reach out to people, first to us who are singing it, and then later to the people who will listen to it, and to touch people's lives. That's the biggest expectation out of this. Yeah.
Dope! Heavenly. Such a privilege. I think this particular sister of mine always challenges me. She always brings excellence to everything that she does. And I'm always honored to be part of what she does, because I feel like she honors whoever she works with, because she does it with excellence. And above all, her name is for the glory of God. So I'm really excited. Also, I get to work with Mrs. Garia, who is the person who trained us through high school, to like sing through Gayaza. So it's such a privilege to work with her again, So it's a very beautiful experience. And we're here with like very, very special people. So generally, the vibe is too epic. Spread up, man, spread Chagamba. Yeah.
It's exciting for me because I like to sing. So, but initially I sing with a different band, but we don't do this kind of music. So when my friend Irene called me and asked me if I wanted to join and sing in this project and do hymns, it was exciting for me because I've always thought, why aren't guys or girls? Why isn't there a band of girls that is doing hymns? Because I find hymns very, like they evoke the presence, they are very deep. So it was really exciting because I was like, yes, so do you want to sing? I'm like, yes, I'd love to sing.
Thank you. I'm very excited to be part of this project. I'm very excited to be part of this project because I love singing. And I love working with Celine. She's a very nice person. She loves what she does, and when she does it, she wants to do it to perfection. So I'm excited to be part of this project, and I can't wait to listen to myself later. Or to, how you can be moving in town, and I imagine what these artists feel like when they're walking in town and then you hear a song playing somewhere. So I imagine maybe somewhere I'll be sitting in some church or somewhere, or I'll be walking around on the street and I'll hear our voices somewhere. So I can't wait to be part of this. I'm very excited.
It's a special one, mainly because we were excited about it for a very long time. I think a year or a year and a half when Becca spoke about it and told us her dream about it, and it coming into reality right now and us being part of it. Because before it was more like, this is what I want to do, and we could support her from like the background, but being present, listening to the songs, listening to her dream and why she started it, and seeing it come to pass and being part of it is amazing. And I'm so excited, first because I know what is going to come out of this. Not only the recording, but it's like, you know how someone says just take one step ahead? There's so much coming ahead. So I'm so proud of her. I'm blessed to be part of this project because The songs are a blessing. The team is amazing, and it's just going to be something different that the world has not yet seen, especially in the music industry in Uganda. It's going to be one of the first, and it's going to be bless people. It's sort of classical, heavenly. Super excited. Don't want to say a lot, but just it.